If you don't like wasting energy but still want comfort, then stay tuned. In today's world, balancing comfort and sustainability is easier than ever thanks to the incredible advancements in technology. Whether you're looking to cut down on your energy bills or reduce your carbon footprint, we've got some fantastic tips and gadgets that can help you achieve a more eco-friendly lifestyle without sacrificing convenience. We've got the best eco-friendly gadgets for you. From smart home devices to energy-efficient appliances, these tools are designed to make sustainable living not just possible, but also enjoyable. Imagine a home where every device works in harmony to save energy and reduce waste. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's more attainable than you might think. Living sustainably has never been easier, thanks to tech. With the right gadgets, you can automate many aspects of your home to ensure you're living as green as possible. For instance, smart home systems can control your lighting, heating, and even your water usage, all while providing you with real-time data to help you make informed decisions. Let's dive into some of the best gadgets that can transform your home into an eco-friendly haven. First up, smart thermostats like Ecobee and Nest. They learn your schedule to save energy. These devices are not just about convenience, they're about efficiency. By learning your daily routines, they can adjust the temperature in your home to ensure you're not wasting energy when you're not there. Plus, many of these thermostats come with apps that allow you to control your heating and cooling remotely so you can make adjustments on the go. Next, check out smart lighting like Philips Hue and Livex bulbs. Control them from your phone to cut down on power use. These smart bulbs offer more than just energy savings. They also provide customizable lighting options that can enhance your home's ambiance. You can set schedules, change colors, and even sync your lights with your music or movies for an immersive experience. Want to monitor energy? Sense and Emporia. View keep track in real time. These energy monitoring systems give you a detailed breakdown of your energy usage, helping you identify which appliances are consuming the most power. With this information, you can make smarter choices about how and when to use your devices, ultimately reducing your overall energy consumption. For clean transport, look at Tesla Model 3 and Rad power bikes. Electric vehicles and bikes are revolutionizing the way we think about transportation. Not only do they reduce your carbon footprint, but they also offer significant savings on fuel and maintenance costs. The Tesla Model 3, for example, combines luxury with sustainability, offering a smooth, quiet ride with zero emissions. Meanwhile, electric bikes like those from Rad Power Bikes provide a fun, efficient way to get around town without relying on fossil fuels. Lastly, reduce waste with LARQ, self-cleaning bottles, and Stasher reusable bags. These products are perfect for those looking to cut down on single-use plastics. The LARQ bottle uses UVC LED technology to purify water and clean the bottle itself, ensuring you always have access to clean drinking water without the need for disposable bottles. Stasher bags, on the other hand, are made from food-grade silicone and can be used for everything from storing snacks to cooking sous vide. Ready to go green? Check the links below, like and subscribe. By incorporating these gadgets into your daily life, you can make a significant impact on the environment while also enjoying the benefits of modern technology. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information on the products mentioned, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on sustainable living. Together, we can make a difference.